In this video I'm going to give a quick introduction to how to use JAK Plus for Year 9 Mathematics. When the student first logs in, you see this window, Welcome to your bookshelf. Next step, you just need to scroll down to find your maths text, or you can filter. So if you're in Year 9 to 10, select 9 to 10, and then you can select Mathematics. And you'll see the textbook we're using is called Maths Quest. So just press on Maths Quest. Now you'll see here's your textbook. Down here you'll see I've posted an assignment called Raising a Power to Another Power, and this is due by February the 18th. So to complete this exercise, students just have to click on this. I'll just close that. And basically I've assigned the reading for the textbook. It's for that section. So students can then read through that. As you go, there are little activities. So for example, here's an interactive activity, and students can just drag the answer up and then you can submit, and here's immediate feedback. It tells you that it was correct. So you should try those activities. There's another activity and another one. Just read carefully what they're asking. And then you can go down here and you actually have the worked examples. We do similar examples in class. So if you miss a lesson, please go to these worked examples. Another interactivity. Now, in terms of the work, when you get down to the bottom, just move this up a bit if I can, you'll see the first exercise, fluency. So press fluency, and you come in here. Now you're going to actually get asked some questions about the topic. Now I'll just show you how this works. So here's the first question. Fully simplify each of the following. So if you click here, it opens an editor. This one requires an answer of a power. So you need to find, or what we call a superscript. If you press this one, you get a superscript. So the answer should be e to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6. When you've done that, you go save and you put the answer in. And then you just keep going like that. Submit part. So I submitted that, and now I'll just keep going here. F8, so that's going to be f to the power of 80, 8 times 10. I'll go save and press submit part. And then we'll keep going down the bottom here. One more, you get the idea, and I'll press P to the power of 100. It's expecting an answer with a power, and submit part. And straight away you'll get feedback whether you've done it correctly. So you can see here you've got a green tick, green tick, green tick. So there's a quick introduction to how you can do activities. Once you've done that question, you can then move on to, you can select question from up the top. So you don't really have to do all the questions. You could just select a selection, and that's the fluency section. When you finish that, you've done a few of those questions, you can close that. What we can do is go back to the main page. So that was the fluency section. So if you then want to try the understanding, you press on this one. And again, you can try different questions. When you're finished, you submit your answer down the bottom, and I'll just close that. Go back to the, I think they call it the learning path. So at the moment, working in indices. On the left here, you can see the chapter. Then you can try the reasoning questions, and so on. And we can just keep going like that. So there's an introduction to how to use Jack Plus and how to complete an assigned task.